Subaru Forester has always been a weekend warrior, but it's always been a little to the left. Is that about to change with the new 2014 Subaru Forester? But will it still appeal to the carabiner crowd? Hi, I'm Joel Fetter, and this is our video road test of the new 2014 Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is all about utility and flexibility, and Subaru is trying to play up the interior space and flexibility in this latest redesign. The interior feels more spacious, the dashboard is slimmer than before, and has been moved forward 5 inches. The materials have been upgraded as well. There's now matte plastics and soft touch materials on the dashboard. As far as the exterior design, well, it's a Subaru, no surprises there. In back, the rear seats are less bulky, which creates about 1 inch more legroom. Also, the rear seats now fold 100% flat almost. The rear cargo area has been increased, and Subaru says there's 12% more cargo capacity compared to the last generation Forester. Subaru Forester starts at just over $21,000, and it includes a 4.3-inch color LCD display, Bluetooth audio streaming, and audio controls on the steering wheel. Now, stepping up to a premium and touring model costs you about $23,000 and $27,000 respectively. Both models feature a 6-speaker audio system by Harman Kardon. Now, our touring model is about $33,000 and it's pretty much loaded. Power driver's seat, panoramic sunroof, upgraded 6.1-inch LCD color display with navigation system, and everything else you can possibly get on a Subaru Forester. Those LCD screens are sore points with us given the state of technology. The base system has a limited number of characters for the screen, and the touchscreen unit in the higher trim models such as ours has a confusing menu system. Even simple tasks like tuning or seeking radio stations can be a chore. Now on the road, the Subaru Forester takes a different approach than the typical midsize crossover. It features less weight and less horsepower than the competition, such as the Ford Edge and Toyota Venza. Now, we have the base engine, which is a 2.5-liter flat 4 boxer. It's mated to a continuously variable transmission, but a manual is available. We're more in sync with the optional turbo flat 4, which has 250 horsepower. Unfortunately, no manual transmission is available with that. It's CVT only. All Foresters come with standard all-wheel drive, and it's a system that responds quickly to changes in traction. When the roads get slippery, few crossovers feel as planted as the Forester. No doubt that's the reason it's so popular here in Portlandia and other places with new weather every minute. It has a new X mode that manages torque not just front to back, but also side to side. Better gas mileage comes with the 2014 model year too. The base version gets up to 32 miles per gallon on the highway, and the turbo version gets an EPA combined rating of 25 miles per gallon, which Subaru claims is best in class. That might be true with all-wheel drive versions, but other crossovers like the Chevy Equinox offer a front-drive version, and that gets up to 26 miles per gallon combined. On the road, the Subaru Forester isn't going to surprise any Subaru fan with its mild performance. It has good body control, and the electric power steering is nicely weighted. The 2.5i base engine, which is in our tester, is not exactly quick, but it is adequate. The 2.0 XT turbocharged model, on the other hand, really makes the most of the Forester's capable chassis. The manual transmission is the better transmission, but the CVT is livable. 2014 Subaru Forester doesn't have any safety ratings behind it yet, but does have a safety reputation that precedes it. Also, some new safety technology for 2014 includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and Subaru's new eyesight feature, which can detect road hazards ahead of you and alert you visually. So what's the bottom line with the 2014 Subaru Forester? Well, it's more comfortable and more efficient, though die-hard Subi fans may find it a tad fancy. Now, it's definitely moved into the mainstream and we like that. For all the latest automotive news and reviews, be sure you're following us on Twitter at Car Connection, on Facebook at The Car Connection, and search for us on YouTube at The Car Connection. I'm Joel Fetter, and thanks for joining us.